I'm Kelly.
And I'm Mark.
And I'm Max.
And we're the traveling trio. We are in Fort Lauderdale at the Embassy Suites. So this is our hotel we stayed in last night. It is now bright 30 in the morning, and we are getting all packed back up and getting close to heading over to Port Everglades so we can hop on the adventure of the seas today. It's cruise day! Woo!
Yes.
Get excited?
How hot is
Excited?
it out there? I'm tired. How hot is it out there?
Got your sun hat on already.
Yeah.
So right now it's about 78 degrees outside. It's supposed to be a high of 87 in Fort Lauderdale today. There's a cold front that's moving across Florida, so we're gonna actually be a chilly high of 81 degrees tomorrow. But we'll be gone, so it won't matter. We won't have to worry about that cold weather tomorrow coming in. So we'll be out heading across the Caribbean, and I'm sure pretty much every day will be the same with around 88 degrees. It's probably going to be pretty much standard. So so we're getting ready to go here. When we leave the hotel this morning, we're going to drive our own vehicle over to the port. They have a parking garage over there. And how much is it per day?
It is $15 a day, and we're staying at the Port Everglades Mid-Port Garage.
Yeah, they have a few different garages. We think we're going to be at Terminal 29. That's the word on the street. Yeah. So with our Adventures of the Adventure of the Seas Facebook group that we've been in, I think we've been hearing that Terminal 29 is possibly the terminal. So we'll give you guys some shots of once we get there and get checked in and such. Took some cool drone footage this morning, which I will show you in just a moment, of the Port Everglades, and there's a Carnival ship there. I got to zoom in on it and see what ship that is. And then we also had, I believe it's Harmony of the Seas, or some other people I ran into in the elevator. Well, I didn't run into them. Like, I said hi to people in the elevator. And they're on the Harmony of the Seas, which leaves out today as well. And then, of course, Adventure of the Seas is the smaller of the Royal Caribbean ships in the background. So, so I'll roll. Do we have anything else that we need to share with them this morning?
Yep, we're also having chops for dinner this evening, so that's at 6:30, right after the muster drill. Yep,
so Chops is one of the specialty dining restaurants on Adventure of the Seas on Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. So it's a steakhouse. We're gonna hit that tonight. We set sail at 5 p.m. I believe is our set sail time.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. So you'll see all that action leading up to our amazing dinner tonight.
Yep, and we'll just show you the ship today. I'm just gonna walk around and make it an easy day.
Yep, it's gonna be pretty casual. Yep. So let's roll that drone footage, and we will see you when we get to the port. Yay. Woo! Cruise day!
Okay, we made it out of the hotel, and holy pickles, we have a lot of luggage. More than we should have brought. Right, honey?
It's a long cruise, man.
Yeah, it's 8 nights, so I think we were playing a little bit of Tetris back there. So fun times. We're going to the port now, heading over there.
I try to.
Yeah. So, see you in a little bit. Bye. We just dropped off our luggage. It was super fast. We drove through, dropped it off, tipped them, and we are back to parking. So I think our parking is going to be a little further away from our ship, but that's all right. We don't have to carry the big, huge luggages, so we're on to our parking spot. So.
And just so you guys know, it's customary to tip whether you're flying and you're checking your bags in like curbside with the porter, or at a cruise port when you're handing them your bags. It's customary to tip anywhere from $2 to $5 per bag, depending upon the size of the bag, the weight of the bag, how friendly the person is, how fast they get you through service. I'm always a firm believer over tip the guy, because he's the one that's making sure your bag makes it on the cart that's going to get on your plane or get onto the cruise ship. So don't skimp. Definitely don't skimp on the tipping there. It's worth the cash for that. So
especially if you want your trip to go easy.
Yeah. So we're at Terminal 29, which is at the very, very south end of the cruise port area. It's mainly an industrial cruise port with these cruise ships in here with it, so it's not very attractive cruise port. It's very confusing driving around in here because there's a lot of roads all over. So we dropped off our luggage. Now we have to drive back north a little bit to the Midpoint garage and park there, and we're hoping they have a shuttle to get us back over to the cruise port, which I'm sure they do because I don't see people walking. So but I guess we'll find out.
Yep. Here we go.
A hiccup. So we are on the bus heading back to Terminal 29. Easy parking. We got here very early this morning, so there was people leaving, but very few people getting here yet. So that's a positive. Yeah. So quick little bus ride, because literally our ship is just right over the yacht. So it's just a very short ride over. And this is our awesome bus driver. What's your name?
Jose.
Jose, I'm Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you.
Nice
to meet you.
He's going to get us over to Terminal 29 safely and quickly.
Yes,
and then we're going to get on the ship.
Stay here a couple of minutes.
Yeah, no problem. So time check, it is 5 minutes until 11, and we are now getting ready to go across the gangway and board the ship. That's a beautiful sound. Thank you. I don't. So where are we going? What? Can't hear you.
Ice cream.
You scream?
No,
I want to get some soft serve ice cream with Maximilian Megalicious. That's your full name now.
Oh.
So what kind of ice cream are you going to get? What flavor?
Vanilla?
Vanilla? You're so vanilla.
How are you?
Now I'm going with the twist. The vanilla chocolate twist. Let's do the twist. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. First ice cream of the cruise. Ready? Cheers. Come on. No, come on, so good. Cheers. Alright, so here's 8562 on Adventure of the Seas. So it's a usual small room. So the pull-out couch there, that'll be a bed for Max. Looks like our water's already been delivered, that's excellent. Here's our king-size bed. Our nice walkout balcony. So small little balcony, but it's very echoey, but it's very private too. So you just have just this little cutout here to see out your support. Our neighbors over there. Got a couple chairs. And these chairs are reclined back, and then a nice table to set things on, which is good. So, and then we'll show you there's a little desk area that's about to be completely filled up with lots of things charging. Little TV, some storage space here, so little shelves. There's the room safe. What was that?
Room service, you have to pay $7.
$7.95 per room for your food to be delivered down. That's perfectly fine. I mean, you gotta pay him to deliver. Here's the little mini fridge. So we'll pack that full of our waters that we ordered. Some drawer space, which is nice. Looks like there's two outlets here. There's a European style outlet there as well. And then no outlets near the bed over there, which is kind of a bummer, but what I have to do. Would you like me to look at the restroom?
Yes, please.
And little bitty tiny bathroom here. So just come into your business, get out kind of place.
Get in, get out.
Yeah, so and here's the shower. Nice round shower.
Oh, it has the plastic on there, sweet.
Yeah, that's good. I do like the plastic doors over just having the curtain, because the curtain ends up flooding your bathroom. So having the plastic doors would be pretty cool. There's a conditioning shampoo that they provide for you, and ample shelving space there. And I think
the mirrors open up in that shelving like this.
Opens this way. Huh. Brilliant. So nice ample shelving space there as well. This side doesn't open, so it's the only side for the shelving unit. So, but there's hooks here, towel hooks and things like that. And then, oh, interesting. Okay. So kind of dark over here, but there's actually quite a, there we go. There's a light.
You gotta hold it down for a while.
Yeah. You have to hold it down. So a lot of shelving, which is great, and then a lot of space to hang all your clothes.
Where's our?
Which is nice.
Where's our what? Life jackets?
We don't need those things.
We don't have any life jackets.
It's okay. We don't need them. I'm not worried about it.
Hey guys, surprise! This isn't a pull-out bed. I sleep up there.
No, we don't want Max above us. She's gonna drop things on us while we try to sleep.
He's our beast.
All right, so that's room tour. Luggage is already here. It's 1 o'clock. Quick service. We love it. All right, so that's it. That's room tour.
Here comes
Got our cups for a drink package. Luggage coming in. Time for us to start putting stuff away. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
They won't.
Thank you.
Peace. So quick piece of information. So even though we put our clothes into a garment bag and just kind of rolled them over in our suitcase, you can see that like one of my shirts still has some pretty decent wrinkles that from doing that. So we're going to be using the Downy sprinkler. Gosh, I cannot speak right now. I only had one drink. I promise, only one so far. The Downy wrinkle remover in the little spray. So we're gonna spray down these shirts and hang them, and we're gonna see, and then we'll do. So that was the before. We'll do an after of what it looks like after that spray's had a chance to work, and they hang up for a little bit of time, and then we'll see if it works or not. We'll give you a nice review on that. So bear with us. We'll see what happens.
Really that wrinkle.
All right, we got everything put away in the room. It's looking good, nice and organized for now. So now we're actually heading to the Windjammer, the buffet area, to grab a late lunch and relax a little bit more. So we'll see what they have to offer food-wise.